Hi, so I received my pop-on veneers and I wanted to talk a little bit about my experience with them. The reason that I wanted to get pop-on veneers is because I have periodontitis, which means that I have a lot of bone loss due to, it could be genetic. I am also lactose intolerant, so I don't take in a lot of dairy products. And even though I take calcium supplements, I'm kind of allergic to the supplements, so I could only take a little bit every day. And so I'm losing bone in my teeth, which means that eventually I'm going to lose some teeth. I already have this one here that is quite loose and the bone is going away. And this one here, also losing bone on that one. I take incredibly good care of my teeth, but this is just something that is going to be unavoidable even with the mouthwash and the special toothpastes and the flossing after meals and brushing 3 times a day. So I wanted to get my pop-on veneers. This will allow me to preserve my smile as it is today, just in case I do end up losing those teeth, because it's really expensive to try and do bone grafting and things like that. So this is a good alternative. I like them very much. I went with a natural white because I didn't want it to look super fake. People who are talking to me are like, wow, your teeth look amazing. And I'm like, do I tell them? I think it's amazing how well they frame your actual gums. You can't tell that these are not my teeth. And so it is a little funky when you first put them on, but then once you get used to it, it's no big deal. You can eat with them on. I removed them to eat because I like to get in there and floss afterwards, but you can eat with them on. Yeah, you can drink with them. You can have anything that's not going to stain them. So no coffee, no soda, but water and clear drinks are just fine. This is absolutely life-changing. I absolutely recommend them. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.